Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming sort of a life update video, let you know post schedule, things like that, when videos are going to be uploading, the direction of my channel, stuff like that. And I also thought I would mention some must-have products that I use for cleaning brushes. So if you're interested in hearing what those products are and a little bit of a life update, then you are in the right place at the right time. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. So first thing is first, I was just at a concert yesterday and I'm actually wearing a shirt from the concert. I just saw Tash Sultana. She is a female Australian non-binary artist that actually sort of worked her way up by busking, and she now, all of her shows are always sold out, and she's doing a world tour. So she was in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and so I saw her in concert there. It was such a good concert. I can't really describe her ability to create music. You almost just have to watch some of the videos. I will link down below her channel so you can check her out. She's so good and I'm officially obsessed after seeing her in concert. So I just thought I would mention that as a life update. Another thing that I just wanted to talk about is I don't really have a post schedule right now. I was trying really hard in the beginning to post on like Thursdays or Fridays, and lately my post schedule has just been whenever. Editing videos has been really challenging lately because it takes so much time to edit the video. So I don't really have a post schedule right now. I'm trying to post regularly, but I know for the month of June and July, I'm like really booked. There's a lot going on. I'm going on a trip. I'm going on a couple mini trips. I just have a lot of things going on. So I'm trying to post regularly. Bear with me, those of you that are dedicated subscribers, mostly people that I know are my dedicated subscribers. So I'm trying to post regularly, but it's been a little bit of a challenge because editing takes so long. If I could afford to hire an editor, I would. That is really expensive and I don't have very many subscribers, and this is not what I do full time. So that's not really something that I'll be looking into at this point, but I'll definitely try to post as regularly as I can. Those of you that follow me on Instagram, you can get your updates there. I usually post on my Instagram stories when I have a new video. So those of you that care about my videos, make sure you check my Instagram out. And now to the meat of the video. So I just wanted to talk about some beauty must-haves in terms of cleaning your brushes. We are in June officially, so it is Pride Month, yay! And so now that it's getting a little bit warmer outside, I take brush cleaning very seriously because my skin is so sensitive. I can very easily break out, and I think when your brushes are dirty, you can break out even more. You're gonna clog your pores. It's just, there's germs, all that jazz. So I thought I would mention some products that I have been loving and using and swear by to clean my brushes and beauty blenders. So the first thing that I really want to talk about, if you're looking to do a deep cleanse, I would recommend this product here. This is the Beauty Cleanser Solid. It's the ultimate makeup sponge and brush cleaner, and it really is a solid product. There's like a bar of soap in here. So then if you take the cap off, you can see there's just a solid in there. And it's really like a bar of soap. So this is actually my second one. I've gone through a whole one of these and I don't wash my brushes as often as I should. But this is the second one and I'm already almost to the bottom of this, and I'm gonna soon need another one. This costs about $16, I believe, at Sephora, and I think they also now sell it at Ulta Beauty. It's really just like a bar of soap. You rub your beauty blender in there while it's wet, you lather it together and you rinse it, and it's clean and it looks brand new. Same with brushes. I just basically take a dirty brush, I rub it inside, rub it on my hand, rinse it, and it's clean. It does smell really good as well, just smells sort of like sanitary, maybe like a little bit minty. It's just really good, and I think for the price point it lasts a long time, and it really cleans your brushes and beauty blenders, so I would highly recommend this product. The other thing that I would recommend is sort of like a cleaning mat. So this mat I picked up at TJ Maxx. It has little suction cups on the back of it, so I just suction cup it into the sink and just make sure your sink is clean. I suction cup it into the sink, and it has like different grits on it, and that helps so that it can really get the bristles clean for your brushes. So I'll zoom you guys in so you can see that. I think you can see it's just different like grit types. I usually use actually this one the most. It's got these like little lines. This is really, really good, again, just to make sure that as you're cleaning your brush, you're really able to get in all of the brush bristles. So I really, really would highly recommend investing in one of these. I think I got this for like $5 or $6, like I said, at TJ Maxx. They have ones that aren't flimsy, like this is, I guess, silicone maybe. They have like hard plastic ones as well, so if you're not looking for something so flimsy, you could definitely look into a plastic one. I think they have one by Real Techniques that they sell at Walmart. So I'd highly recommend that. And then the final product that I just wanted to talk about, I just purchased this not that long ago, and I will swear by this as the best product ever. This is the Cinema Secrets Pro Cosmetics Makeup Brush Cleaner. This is a quick drying, rinse-free formula. It doesn't look like I used a lot because you don't need a lot for this to work, and it also comes with like a little tin that says Cinema Secrets. I have a little bit of product in here. I'm gonna maybe try to show you what it looks like. So basically, it has a very chemically scent, and you can definitely tell there's alcohol in this. Yeah, and the alcohol in it is what causes it to be dry then for you to use it right away on your face or your eyes when you use this to clean your brush. This is so amazing. I can't even tell you, like, I don't know why I waited so long to buy this. Kathleen Lice mentioned this in one of her videos as being one of her favorite products if she's looking to clean her brush really quickly, and I just like screenshotted it, and then I never bought it, and then finally Sephora had their big sale where you could get like an extra 10 or 15% off, and so I did purchase it then. It is amazing. I think it's about $25. You do get, let me see here, you get 8 ounces of product, so that's pretty good. And all you have to do is dip your brush in the product, rub the brush with the product on the towel a couple of times, and your brush is completely dry and completely clean. And I believe it's sanitized, because if this has alcohol in it, it's also sanitizing the product as well. I love this. I love this so, 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 so much. My brushes now are more clean than they've ever been because this is just such a quick and easy way to wash eyeshadow brushes. You know, it has blue on it and I want to use it for a brown look. I don't want to mix the blue and the brown together, so I can just quickly wipe this with this, and then I can use the brown product. So it's just so good. I love it so much. I want to try to insert a clip of me using it. So I have a towel. Okay, here. Okay, this is my blush brush. You can see that it is completely pink at the top. It should be white. This is actually a Luxie 514 blush brush. It's my favorite blush brush right now. So it's completely pink. Basically what I do is I have a little bit of the product in here. I'm just gonna dip it in. So dip in the product. You don't need a lot. All right, so it's dipped in. I'm gonna take it on the towel and I'm gonna just rub. And you'll see the product is going on the towel. And it's completely white on the top. Like, I'm not making this up. This is just crazy. And it's completely dry. Like, I could use this now on my face if I wanted to. It's completely dry. Like I said, it has a really alcohol-y scent in it, so keep that in mind if you're sensitive to scents, but it works like a dream. So you can literally clean all of your brushes really quick. You know, if you're under some pressure to get your brushes cleaned, you can literally clean them in a couple of minutes, all of your brushes. So I would highly recommend this product to you. I can't recommend it enough. For the price point, it's just, it really changes the cleaning of the brushes game. You definitely want to make sure you're still washing your brushes like with a deep cleanse, I guess, as much as you're able to, and that's where I would recommend this Beauty Blender Solid Brush Cleaner and Beauty Blender Cleaner. This is the hands down best cleaner. I was using like a Real Techniques cleaner, and this is just so much better. So I'd highly, highly, highly recommend this to you. And that's really all I have for this video. I know it's super brief. That's what I was hoping to film today. Just a little update on where we're at in terms of posting, what I've been doing, things like that. And I thought I would mention some products that I really have been loving to clean my brushes. It's a little bit different than some of my other videos that I've filmed. So I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you next time with another new one. See ya!